Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 25. Having seen your mouths, fearsome with tusks, blazing like pralay fires, I know not the four quarters, nor do I find peace. Be gracious, O Lord of the Devas, O abode of the universe.
Chapter 11, Shloka 25. Damshrakaralani chate mukani drishtvaiva kala nalasannibhani disho na janena labe cha sharma prasida devesha jagannivasa.
Chapter 11, Shloka 25. Elaborating his own self-explanations on why heroic hearts should tremble in fear, Arjuna continues. This is the picture of time, the leveler of everything, the consumer of all forms. When the intellect comes to comprehend such a vast field, zoomed all of a sudden, the very magnitude destroys the power of discrimination, and the individual is momentarily blank. In such a condition of extreme wonderment, the shocked individual realizes how hollow his plans for happiness are, frail the body, mind, and the intellect are, how unimportant his ego is. The ego drops its veil of vanity and cover of false strength and stands uncovered and surrenders itself to the influence of the cosmic power. Prayer is the only medicine standing in front of the mighty total and the supreme divine. Arjuna says, Be gracious, O Lord of the Devas, O abode of the universe. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.